Congratulations on buying your Toro Lidiados. You're going to realize that these are the most practical sunglasses that you've ever owned. But I wanted to quickly demonstrate how you're supposed to use these properly. So obviously you've taken the glasses out of the box. The clips go 1 inch from the back of the brim. And then in order to bring them over your face, it's very important that you follow this motion, which is you separate the magnets and you bring them about 2 to 3 inches away from your face. And look how I'm grabbing both the upper and the lower part of these glasses, and I basically push this back towards my face. Now as I do that, there's going to be a little bit of resistance from these articulating eyes. That's why I'm not letting this go. And once it makes contacts to my face, then I'm going to use the sides of my index fingers on both sides to push the articulating arms close and tight, just like that, nice and tight on the sides of my face, depending on how tight you want them. Next after that would be the fine tuning. And in order to do that, I grab both the vertical arm as well as the arm that's up here, and I can make this as tight or as loose as I want. In fact, I can have this, if I don't want this on making contact with my face at all, I can have these glasses basically floating and not making any contact with my face. Say goodbye to above the ear fatigue that we typically get with your typical sunglasses, and you don't have to worry about the glasses falling off while you're doing any activities. Now, in order for you to get this away from your face, if you want your glasses off for a short period of time, a couple of options. One would be just to tuck it under the brim. In order to do that, I grab the top of the brims and then the bottom of the lenses, and I just push these up, and thanks to the access point right here, these will tuck nicely right under the brim. So that's one option, and then I can quickly one-handed or two-handed just push this back and then again tighten it as I wish. And then the other option would be to put it above the brim. In order to do that, I just separate here, I come up top, here the magnetic clips together, and then push it back again. Same principle, push in the glasses, holding them above and below until I make contact with the top of the hat, and then using my index fingers to make it nice and tight above my glasses. And there you have it. The most important part of this is that when you go to assemble it, that the first part of the arm where the clip is, on both sides, they need to be pointing backwards. So that's very fundamental in the mechanics of these glasses. And you're going to get a lot of functionality out of these, and they're going to be the best sunglasses that you have ever owned. Again, one last time, quickly, we're going to grab both the upper and lower part of the lenses, separate them, bring them about 2 to 3 inches away from your face until the magnetic clips come together, hold them nice and tight, push them towards your face. You got to fight the articulating arms a little bit, and then I'm going to use my index fingers to push the side arms in, use the upper arms to fine tune them. If I want to go below the rim, out of my face, if I want to back over and above the rim, I can certainly do that. That's all I've got. Enjoy your glasses.